The Trinity doctrine denies that Jesus is God. In this video, I'm going to prove it. This doctrine asserts that Jesus is God, specifically the second person in the Godhead. However, it also maintains that Jesus is not the Father. This implies that the Father is distinct from the Son, and the Son, Jesus Christ, born in Bethlehem, is not the Father. This denial of Jesus being the Father is significant because it contradicts Isaiah chapter number 9, verse number 6, which states that Jesus will be called Everlasting Father. Anytime we say Jesus is God, we mean Jesus is the Father, Everlasting Father. Whereas, anytime we say Jesus is man, we acknowledge that Jesus was born, he grew in stature, he was tempted, he got tired and slept. Let's examine few verses that shows that the Father is the only God.
John 17, verse number 3. And this is eternal life, that they may know you, the only true God, and Jesus Christ whom you have sent. John 20, verse number 17. Jesus said to her, Do not cling to me, for I have not yet ascended to my Father. But go to my brethren and say to them, I am ascending to my Father and your Father, and to my God and your God.
Now, let us consider some few verses that shows that Jesus is the Father.
Isaiah 9, verse number 6. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government will be upon his shoulder, and his name will be called Wonderful, Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. John 10, verse number 30. I and my Father are one. John 10, verse number 33. The Jews answered him, saying, For a good work we do not stone you, but for blasphemy, and because you, being a man, make yourself God.
One of the reasons why the Trinity doctrine denies that Jesus is the Father, it is its difficulty to reconcile how can Jesus be the Son of the Father and the Father himself. This conundrum is explored in episode number 9. Check it out. And until next time, God bless you.